It's a very important game. I think this is a very important one out of them all. We're glad we're in a situation where it's something that is on our hands. It's something that we able to control. We're going into this game knowing very well what's on stake. And we know very well that it's a most important game, and but at the same time we're trying by all means to concentrate as much as we can to be calm and to be on our best on the day. I feel good, and I want to thank the team, the whole technical team, the players, and everyone back home, and even the ones that are not at home. All Zimbabweans out there for accepting me and making me feel comfortable, and to show the love that they're showing and the support that they have for our nation. It's something that is it's out of this world. We truly appreciate the chemistry that we have, and it's not every day we have that chemistry in football. It's always difficult to have those very important elements in the game, and to have that, we are grateful because it makes us feel good, and when you feel good, you do good. Yeah. I just want to say to all our Zimbabwean brothers and sisters everywhere around the world, thank you so much for everything that you have been doing for our nation, wherever you are, and the support that you have been giving us. We truly appreciate. We feel it, we see it, and it motivates us every day. We are here to represent the nation, and I know you representing the nation wherever you are, and we are proud to be where we are, and the love that we show each other across the world. Thank you so much, and just know that we out here to give everything for our nation, and we pray to God that we come out victorious.